Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, I will explain the 12 different types of English tenses. Tenses are very important because they help us talk about time, including actions that happen now, happened in the past, or will happen in the future. In this lesson, we will learn all 12 English tenses with simple explanations and examples. Let's begin. First, simple present tense. We use the simple present to talk about habits, routines, facts, and things that happen regularly. Examples: I play football. I play football every day. Next, past simple tense. We use the past simple to talk about actions that started and finished in the past. Examples: I played football yesterday. I played football last weekend. Now, future simple tense. We use the future simple to talk about actions that will happen in the future. Examples: I will play football tomorrow. I will play football next week. Next, present continuous tense. We use the present continuous to talk about actions happening now or at the moment of speaking. Examples: I am playing football now. I am playing football at the moment. Now, past continuous tense. We use the past continuous to talk about actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. Examples: I was playing football at that time. I was playing football when you called me. Next, future continuous tense. We use the future continuous to talk about actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Examples: I will be playing football at 5 p.m. I will be playing football this time tomorrow. Now, present perfect tense. We use the present perfect to talk about past actions that are connected to the present. Examples: I have played football today. I have already played football. Next, past perfect tense. We use the past perfect to talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. Examples: I had played football before the match. I had already played football when he arrived. Now, future perfect tense. We use the future perfect to talk about actions that will be completed before a specific time in the future. Examples: I will have played football by 6 p.m. I will have played football before you arrive. Next, present perfect continuous tense. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about actions that started in the past and continue until now. Examples: I have been playing football for 2 hours. I have been playing football since morning. Now, past perfect continuous tense. We use the past perfect continuous to talk about actions that continued for some time before another action in the past. Examples: I had been playing football for 2 hours before lunch. I had been playing football since morning before it started raining. Finally, future perfect continuous tense. We use the future perfect continuous to talk about actions that will continue for a period of time before a specific point in the future. Examples: by 6 p.m., I will have been playing football for 2 hours. By tomorrow afternoon, I will have been playing football for 3 hours. Thank you for watching this lesson from the Speak Fluent English channel about English tenses. I hope it has helped you understand them more clearly. See you in the next lesson.